Hello, welcome to Pen and Paper ASMR. Today I decided to do something a little bit different, but in my mind it's still on theme of the videos that I make. So when I say I like things like stationery, I love like stationery, really all school supplies. And when I was in school, I was a nerd. Okay, I really loved worksheets. I still really love worksheets, and like, even when you go to the doctor and have to get forms that you fill out, there are some things so satisfying about filling out like blanks on forms and worksheets to me. Some people don't understand, but maybe you do if you're watching this video to relax. So I was thinking of ways that I could use my calculator. This is the calculator that I use day to day. I've used it, let's see, I think this was actually my mom's, and my husband and I were over at my parents' house visiting, and she had this on her desk, and I'll show you, like that. Oh, and it's so like springy, like it's so fun to use. And she saw how much I liked it. She said she got it from Amazon, and she said, you know what, I'll just order myself a new one. You take that one. So I love this. I've had it now for years. Never had to replace the battery yet or anything like that. Still works perfectly fine. Still, yeah, it's great. Nice and simple. I can balance my stuff out real easy with it. And I wanted to use it in a video somehow, but I'm not comfortable. Some people, like, more power to them, they will put all of their monthly expenses and their income and everything online, and I'm just not comfortable doing that. I considered doing a budget type video, but I was just against that. So just personally, other people do it, it's fine, but me personally, I just didn't feel comfortable. So I've decided to do some addition. I remember these kinds of things from school. Luckily, I was always decent at test taking. Some people aren't, so it would have been horrifying if you were someone who wasn't good at test taking. But I remember we would get sheets like this, especially for like multiplication, like when we would do like, the three, like you do your different times tables, and you'd have the 3s or the 12s or the what have you, and it would just be a page of the facts that you had to answer, and you had to get like as many as you could in a minute or something. Based off of how many you got, that determined whether or not you were allowed to progress to the next one, or if you still had to practice the old ones. Like I said, luckily I've always been decent at testing, but I know that's not the case for everyone. So if you're someone who looks at a sheet like this and thinks absolutely not, brings back, memories that stress me out, I get it. But my goal is to be a lot more relaxing, because I'm not even gonna do it mentally. I'm gonna use the calculator to do it, and we're just gonna go through it nice and slow, one by one. And so didn't think I'd ever be making soothing math videos for the internet, but here we are. So let's start with name. So pen and paper. ASMR. Today's date is 11. Oh, what is today? 16? 24. And I'm going to put the score in ahead of time. We're going to get a 100. Okay. So I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit. Hopefully you can see it a little clearer that way. but we're just going to go one by one. So, first one is 16 plus 48, and that is 64. We'll clear that out. Number 2, 75 plus 35, 110. Next, 41 plus 94, 135, or 135, 34 plus 27, 61, 89 plus 92, 181, 35 plus 97, 132, 12 plus 67, 79, 48 plus 22, 70. All right, one row down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to go. 52 plus 30, 82. 36 plus 29, 65. 38 plus 56, 94. 58 plus 62, 120. 95 plus 24, 119. 46 plus 49, 95. 92 plus 37, 129. 15 plus 77, 92. Another row down. Next row, 58 plus 80, 138. 47 plus 65, 112. 23 plus 21, 74. 59 plus 62, 121. 75 plus 57, 132. 21 plus 96, 117. 75 plus 24, 99. 67 plus 98, 165. Another row down. Let's see. Yeah, you can still see Just making sure. 20 plus 80. 100. 54 plus 34. 88. 76 plus 55. 131. 38 plus 33. 71. 59 plus 12. 71. So those two are the same. 30 plus 29. 59. 73 plus 25. 98. 30 plus 85. 115. We are officially 1, 2, 3, 4 rows done. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows to go. So we are halfway done. All right. 46 plus 21. 67. 78 plus 65. 143. 84 plus 32. 116. 68 plus 68. 136. 38 plus 38. 76. 31 plus 23. 54. 50 plus 29. 79. 83 plus 28. 111. Next row. 53 plus 69. 122. 32 plus 28. 60. 94 plus 47. 141. 96 plus 59. 155. 76 plus 61. 137. 49 plus 40. 89. 94 plus 20. 114. 75 plus 23. 98. Next row. 94 plus 79. 173. 11 plus 31. 42. 61 plus 85. 146. 21 plus 14. 35. 62 plus 99. 161. 92 plus 67. 159. 88 plus 11. 99. 83 plus 40. 123. All right, on to our very last row. We have 76 plus 42. 118. 16 plus 28. 44. 55 plus 12. 67. 94 plus 74. 168. 12 plus 41. 53. 37 plus 20. 57. 43 plus 94. 137. And very last problem, 79 plus 77. And that is 156. Okay, so we got done with all of our addition. That was 64 problems. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across by 8 rows down for a total of 64 addition problems that we just solved together. Hopefully it was much more relaxing than math was when you were in school, unless you're someone like me who, like I said, I was a nerd and enjoyed math then too. But since this is a different kind of thing than my other video types, you know, with the coloring, the bullet journal, stuff like that, I liked making it. This was nice. It was very repetitive and soothing. But if you hate it, I won't do it again. But they also make ones that have even more problems, and they have like bigger numbers. They have multiplication and division and subtraction. Let me know your thoughts on this kind of video if you liked my clicky calculator. I would be very happy for it to return to my videos, but I understand if it's not something that people really like. So let me know. You can just leave a comment whether or not you liked this and want to see it again, or if you'd rather never think about math in your life if you don't have to. Okay, so just let me know, and I hope that you have just a wonderful rest of your day. All right, bye-bye. Okay, there was a really loud noise, so I had to pause it in the middle of a thought. But essentially, if you want to see more of this kind of video, please let me know. And if you hated it, please let me know, because that will help me make decisions for later. If you have any comments about anything else, let me have those as well. And I hope that you have just a wonderful rest of your day. Okay,